Identifying rare stones like black diamonds, carbonado, and meteorites at home can be exciting, but also challenging. While professional testing is always the most reliable method, there are several simple techniques you can use to get a good idea of what you're dealing with. What is a black diamond? Carbonado. Black diamonds, also known as carbonado, are a rare type of diamond with a dark, opaque appearance. Unlike traditional diamonds, they are polycrystalline, meaning they are made up of many small diamond crystals fused together. They are extremely tough and often found in Brazil and Central Africa. What is a meteorite stone? Meteorites are rocks that originate from outer space and survive their passage through Earth's atmosphere. They often contain iron and nickel, making them different from most Earth rocks. Number 1. Visual inspection. Black diamond, usually black or dark gray, rough, porous surface, like charcoal or sponge. No shiny crystal faces like clear diamonds, may have a dull or metallic luster. Meteorite, dark outer crust, fusion crust caused by burning during entry, may show thumbprint-like indentations called regmaglips. Interior may look metallic or stony when cut. Number 2, magnet test meteorites often contain iron, so they are attracted to magnets. How to test? Bring a magnet close to the stone. If it sticks or shows attraction, it may be a meteorite. Note, black diamonds are not magnetic. Number 3, density and weight. Both black diamonds and meteorites tend to feel heavier than ordinary stones. Black diamonds are very dense and heavy for their size. Iron meteorites are extremely heavy due to metal content. Try comparing the weight with a regular rock of the same size. Number 4, streak test. Rub the stone on unglazed ceramic. Meteorite usually leaves little to no streak. Fake stones or minerals often leave a colored streak. Black diamond, extremely hard, will not leave a streak. 5, hardness test. Black diamonds are one of the hardest materials on Earth. Try scratching glass. If it scratches easily, could be diamond. Meteorites are not as hard as diamonds. Be careful not to damage the stone. Number 6, heat resistance test with caution. Black diamonds can withstand very high temperatures. Meteorites also resist heat but may oxidize. Do not overheat or burn the stone excessively. This can damage it. 7, look for metal content. If you suspect a meteorite, file a small hidden area only if safe. Look for shiny metallic grains inside. Meteorites often contain iron-nickel alloys. 8, porosity check. Black diamonds often have a porous texture with tiny holes. Meteorites, usually more compact, though some may have small voids. Important warning, many earth rocks like slag, basalt, or hematite can look like meteorites or black diamonds. These tests are only preliminary. Final confirmation. For accurate identification, consider professional gemological testing, X-ray or spectrometer analysis, visiting a geology lab or expert. Conclusion. While identifying a black diamond or meteorite at home is possible with basic tests like magnetism, hardness, and visual inspection, it's easy to be mistaken. Use these methods as a first step, but always seek expert confirmation if you believe you found something valuable.